Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Sonali from It Starts at Home. And today's video is an extension to the coding activities that I had shared, a free printable for kids who were 4+. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the intermediate activities, and along with that it's going to be followed by an advanced level which is going to be a little more tough for a little elder kids. So before we get started, just a little reinforcement on a couple of things. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on this video. Do subscribe my channel. Please do share all our videos with your friends and families and kids all around, because I'm sure everybody needs good content and they all need free printables, right? Okay, also one more important thing, I would be going online as in live chat on YouTube on 3rd of July, which is a Friday. I would be going at 5:30 p.m. India time and US EST time 8 a.m. So I'm gonna be waiting for all you guys to drop in, say hi, leave a question, and I'm gonna try and answer as many as possible. We're gonna be discussing a lot about how to keep kids engaged, how to keep encouraging and motivating them to try and do more, try and be focused, because these are some of the questions that kept coming back to me. I've also left a comment on my community post where you can actually just go and leave a question that you want me to answer that day, and I will be picking up a lot of questions, so I would be answering that. Okay, so before I get going, guys, this is a complete set of activities that I've made. I'm only be giving this on need basis, though it's a free printable. Just leave a comment saying that you need it and you've done the first one, and if you've not done the first one, I would be linking the coding video in the description box below and even in the cards up here, and you can definitely check that out. Download the free printable, and this one is on request basis, so if you want to do this with your kids, just leave a comment below with your email address, or you can email it to me on Sonali Kapoor, SONALIKAPOOR08@gmail.com. Do let me know that you need it and I will quickly send it to you. Okay, so let's get started. Let's get started, guys, with the coding activities. Let's get going. Okay, so here, code the route from Mark the Racer to reach the taco point. Remember, he needs to grab the milkshake on the way. So where is the milkshake? The milkshake is right here. Mark is right here, and he needs to go to the taco point, and that's the taco point. And now, guys, what you have to do is you have to tell the child to read this very carefully and underline where he needs to go. So there are directions here where, and also what I've done to make it a little easy for the kids in the beginning, I have marked, I've got Mark right here to tell them that from there he's going to reach here. You see Mark is picking up the milkshake and then he's going to get the taco. So in 7 steps they need to draw and they need to finish the course. If you need this printable, guys, do leave a comment below saying that yes, and if you need the answer sheet also, please do let me know. I can attach that as well. Okay, moving on to the next one, we have code the route for Mr. Panda. He needs to first place the food order with the server, then pick up the coffee, heading to get the pizza slice, and at last grab the free watermelon. So navigate the path in 12 steps, draw the arrow. So he has to navigate the path, and in 12 steps he needs to cover the full thing to end his route to the watermelon. Now it gets, so the first one was beginner, the second one got intermediate because there were more steps and more stoppages, and now we have all of them in grid basis. So the coding activity 3, the dog is dreaming about food. Can you navigate the path and take him to his food bowl by drawing 4 steps? Please write the code on the next page. Avoid the route that has spikes. So I'm going to be keeping the writing the code page next to this one so that you understand what I'm saying now. Okay, so That's the dog we're talking about. He's dreaming of the bone, okay? And that's his food. He needs to reach here, but there are 3 spikes, so he cannot take this route. So if you would think he might want to come from here, he might want to come from here, he cannot. But he can definitely take this route and this route. So they let the child figure out how. And once the child has drawn these arrows here, in the printable file, you will not be getting the answers, but you'll be getting the grid and these things. So the child needs to make an arrow, write how many steps and the direction, left, down, up, or right. So that's how we are going to extend it to the intermediate level. Now we have activity number 4. Along with that, the answers right here. The dog is now ready to play after a quick snack. So we were seeing that the dog ate the food. Now he wants to play first, fetch the ball, and then he wants to do skating. So this is the route that the dog is taking because he had 3 spikes in between and he couldn't find the route. So that's what the kids have to do, and then they need to make the arrow, write the number of steps they have taken, and then write the directions. Activity number 4, the dog story is continuing, and it's just getting more difficult for the kids because I'm just adding an extra element every time, and there are like more curves and turns now. So now the dog wants to scratch his back and would like to head to the music station. Navigate his path in each steps by making arrows and write the code. Avoid the spiky route. So now from here, he wants to go here and then here. All right, but then we have spikes, and then this is the route that can be taken. So you go from here, then up here, and then coming back here. And this is the list of directions that they have used, and then they need to write it along with that. It's something similar again, but then now after the music, the dog is wanting to go back home. He's going to close the door and he's going to go back to his kennel. And we are navigating the path and definitely writing the answer along with it. Then the last activity that we have is code the route for Miss Flower. She needs to first meet her 3 friends. Secondly, she needs to go to her hair spa, and then she transforms into a super flower girl. At last, she gives a high five to her team member. Create a code for her. Write the code below. Example 2, and that's exactly the code that they need to write. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stops for them to figure it out. And there are no spikes here. This is just an ending game, an ending activity for the kids to accomplish. So guys, do let me know if you like this video, and if you're really looking to get this whole printable set from me, do leave a comment below. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Please do share it on your Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. I'll be more than happy to do it. Do wait for the next video, and don't forget I'm going to be live, going live on 3rd of July at 8 o'clock US EST time and 5:30 p.m. India time. And I can't wait to watch you guys and talk to you. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.